Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White Kingsland and welcome to 90 Aroha Ave in Sandringham. You have the best of both worlds here. Classic character home on an 800 square metre site in a very edgy urban environment. Old school romance meets city fringe convenience, and what a collision it is. Charmingly presented, the generous floor plan offers 4 bedrooms and gracious living spaces. Partially renovated, there's exciting opportunity to continue adding value with further improvements. Explore all the options on offer, renovate and extend the current home further, build again or develop the site to its fullest potential under the Unitary Plan. Just a quick stroll up the road and you'll be enjoying the local shops, restaurants, cafes and the excellent public transport that Kingsland has to offer. Not to mention the amazing new developments in Morningside for all you foodies. A much loved family home, our owners are ready to move on to new adventures. Seize the opportunity and capture your slice of the city fringe today.